Chapter 21, Part 3, Translation. Que ce miel est bon! How good this honey is! Or my, this honey is good! Or such, this honey is so good! Anything like that would capture this exclamation with que at the beginning. Here, in the second one, we have the expression je pense que oui, I think so, using que as kind of to introduce the answer to a question. La maison de Bourriquet a-t-elle été détruite? Je pense que oui. Has Eeyore's house been destroyed? I think so. Another Winnie the Pooh story. C'est un grand arbre que la vôtre. So here we have the que la vôtre added to intensify the first statement. So we could say this, what a big tree you have, or that's a big tree you have there, something like that. Winnie ne veut que rester près de son ami Jean-Christophe. So here we've got the ne que around vouloir, to want. Winnie wants only to remain near to his friend Christopher Robin, or Winnie wants nothing but to remain close to his friend Christopher Robin. Now in 5, we've got quoi que as 2 words. So whatever that coco lapin, whatever rabbit, then ad, because quoi que, whatever rabbit might have said. This is the past subjunctive. Whatever rabbit might have said, in the eyes of Winnie, rien n'est aussi beau, nothing is aussi beau que, so we've got a comparison, as beautiful as his little woods. So whatever rabbit may have said, in Winnie's eyes, nothing as beautiful as his little woods. So rabbit must have said something not very nice, which is very typical of rabbit. Si petit que Porcinet soit, il se sent courageux quand il est avec son ami Winnie. So here we've got si adjective plus que. So however small that Piglet might be, or however small Piglet is, that's a subjunctive of être. Il se sent courageux, he feels courageous, se sentir, quand il est avec son ami Winnie. He is with his friend Winnie. However small that Piglet may be, he feels courageous when he is with his friend Winnie.